Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss Let us get ready for adolescence lesson for grade 7. So I invite you to subscribe my channel and stay with us. Adolescence is the wonderful period of life between childhood and adulthood from ages 10 to 19. It's a unique stage of human development and an important time for laying the foundations of good health. Adolescents experience rapid physical, mental, and social growth. What is reproductive health? Reproduction is the process of producing offspring that are biologically or genetically similar to the parent organism. This process is common to every animal, including humans. In the pictures, you can see animals with their babies. We'll understand the main process of female reproductive system. The ovaries produce the egg cells called the ovums. The ovums are then transported to the fallopian tube where the fertilization by a sperm may occur. Sperm ejected by the penis travels through the vagina during the sexual intercourse. The fertilized egg then moves to the uterus. Now we'll study different functions of each organ of the female reproductive system. Ovary. Production of female reproductive cells. These are called as ova or ovum. Fallopian tubes. Transportation of the ovum produced in the ovary to the uterus. Then uterus. This is called as womb also. Nourishing and protecting the embryo until the birth. Then vagina provides a passage for the sperm to pass from the penis to the cervix. Facilitation of menstruation and childbirth. Shall we study the male reproductive system now? Unlike the female reproductive system, most of the male reproductive system is located outside the body. These external structures include the penis, scrotum, and the testicles. The male sperms are necessary to produce an embryo. Scrotal sac is formed outside the body to maintain the low temperature needed for the sperms. Then different functions of each organ of the male reproductive system. Testes produce sperms. Scrotal sac holding the testes outside the body, keeping the temperature low. Then penis ejects semen into the female reproductive system. Prostate glands nourishes the sperms and produces the secretion necessary for the sperms to swim. Appearance of secondary sexual features. At the age of 10 to 11 years, physical growth in girls is faster than that of boys. This period is the beginning of puberty in girls. At the age of 16 to 18, rate of growth of boys is greater than girls with the same age. The physical changes occur due to the production of certain hormones. Girls, estrogen and progesterone. Boys, testosterone. Physical features. Physical features are given in this table considering female and male separately with the secondary sexual characteristics. So you can observe this table well. Psychological features. With the production of certain hormones, the teenagers' minds also changes. So these are the important points. Beginning to think logically, tendency to think scientifically, desire to experiment on new things, desire to come up with inventions, showing interest in the figure, looks, clothes, hairstyles, etc. Showing bravery. Social features. At this period of life, teenagers like to associate their peer groups more than the family members. So the important points are desire to associate with the opposite sex, association of peers, interest in group activities, revolt against justice and wrongdoing, desire to be involved in community service, desire to attain adulthood, desire to identify as a competent person, interest in leadership. How to get ready for adolescence. First, we will discuss the physical readiness. Get an understanding about the functions of the reproductive system. Have nutritious food. Engage in exercises and sports. Avoid wrong sexual activities and unwanted pregnancies. Maintain personal hygiene. Mental readiness. Try out good and new things. Identify and develop personal skills. Engage in creative activities. Personality development through sports. Away from misleading by commercial advertisement. Avoid smoking, narcotics, and obscene books. Social readiness. Share both joy and sorrow. Discuss and find out the views of others on different things in the society. Engage in sports, aesthetics, and good hobbies. Join scout and guide troops and cadet platoon. Be a member of different clubs and societies in your school. Have responsibilities as your age. What are the factors that influence reproductive system? Healthy habits, peer pressure, harmful sexual acts, and hormones.